So here it is with the illuminating the backdrop, and here it is with the model in front. Works great there. Now full length, as I said, you can see the stand back there. I Photoshop it out. That's one of the disadvantages of using it like this. You could try to put it off to the side, but you get kind of a gradient when you do that. Alright guys, real quick video on how I occasionally illuminate my backdrops with different colors. So let's get into it. Okay, so what you see here and what I like to use is the Godox V1 Speedlight. Really nice little Speedlight. And then I take this little green gel or whatever color you want to use and I'll put it right on there. Fits right on there. I'll link that in the description below where you get those. And then I'll take this little reflector. It's a bounce card that is magnetic. It just pops right on there and that keeps the gel on there as well. So the other thing is I have the little stand that comes with the Speedlight. I put that on there because on the bottom it's got a little 1/4 inch receptacle down there, and I can then mount this on my light stand that you see right here. So I'll just mount it right there, and then I will point the Speedlight towards the reflector towards the backdrop, and I'll show you how that looks here. So here's the Speedlight out on the floor. This is a brown backdrop. Not advisable to use it on brown. I'll use it on that dark gray up there. It works best on gray, light gray, dark gray, black. Even it saturates really well. Not so much on whites. But here's the green gel, and there's the bounce card right there. And I will just put the Speedlight about 4 feet away from the backdrop is optimal. And I'll set the power to about 1/4 to 1/2. And it works pretty well and recycles pretty quickly. And so here it is with the gray background, and you can see I've got it, there's the whole setup, and I've got it, it's probably about 3 feet off the backdrop there. I'll have the model placed in front of it, and this works really well. You will have to Photoshop it out if you do full-length shots. So here it is with the illuminating the backdrop, and here it is with the model in front. Works great there. Now full length, as I said, you can see the stand back there. I Photoshop it out. That's one of the disadvantages of using it like this. You could try to put it off to the side, but you get kind of a gradient when you do that. And that's all there is to it. So thanks for watching. Give me a like if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more. Thanks a lot.